another day of Vlogmas. Rocking the natural hair. I had to moisturize and seal last night, so I just twisted it up. This is just kind of how it looks, just like almost like a fluffy twist out. Of course, you can see all the commotion back in the back seat. We have a friend with us today. Today we are going to essentially like doggy daycare, where we're going to be boarding him at next Sunday. Is a place where they require that they do like a 2-hour meet and greet with them. So that's what we're going to do today. We are running a little bit late because our printer was giving me problems. And then the vet office, the place where we have to go get his shot records at, their site is like messed up, because usually you can print off the shot records on their site, but it's messed up. So I have to go to the vet office, which is in the complete opposite direction of the boarding place. My life this week and last week, I just don't know what's going on. So I dropped off Kiba. The people seem really nice. This is his first time there. So hopefully everything goes well. Putting gas in the car, and then I'm going to go to Starbucks. Winter is still sick, so I'm going to get him a medicine ball because he's never had one. I've never had a medicine ball. So I'm going to get him a medicine ball from Starbucks and see if that kind of helps soothe his throat a little bit. And oh my gosh, that did not make it any better. Just got done bowling. I didn't even put on any mascara. I just got out of the car. I am going to the mall right now, just the way I am. I think I want to go to the Nike store again because I want some more Huaraches. I want to go to the Adidas store as well because I just want more sneakers. And then I also may stop in Levi's. Okay guys, so I'm trying on jeans right now. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I'm at Levi's. And these are the 710 super skinny in a 29.32. So I feel like they are a little like long on me, like at the bottom, like at my feet, because they bunch up a lot. So I feel like they're a little too long. Okay, so this is the second pair. These are the 721 high rise. These are in a 30 length, but they're still kind of long. So technically I probably need a 28 in length if I wanted it to hit like right above my sock line. I definitely like them. So they're nice and soft. Now I think I might get either 2 in the high rise, or I might get these. I don't know how I feel about these. These are the super skinny. They're really, really tight at the leg. So I might just get 2 in the high rise skinny. Hey guys, and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. I don't know what day it is anymore. I just figured that I would just continue vlogging for you guys and getting them up. So today I am getting ready to go to DSW just to look at their shoes, obviously. I'm still looking for like a certain type of booty that I want, and I have not been able to find it. At this point, I'm like 6 days away from vacation, and so I don't really have time to say like order anything online unless it's like Amazon. So unless they're gonna give me 2-day shipping, I have no time to order anything anymore. So as you guys saw, I did go bowling yesterday, and I didn't even notice, because I was thinking about when I was gonna start bowling, I was like, I'm probably gonna break a nail. So this one was already broken. This one, at some point, I'm not trying to flip you guys off, but at some point, this one broke yesterday, and I didn't even know. Like, I'm like, when did it break? Like, I still can't even remember feeling it. Like, I'm glad I didn't feel it. I I finally got Michelle's book, you guys. I cannot wait to read it. So excited. It was 30% off, so they already have it on sale, but so excited to read it. Can't wait. Definitely recommend you guys should get it. I've heard only good things about it, so go out and pick up this book. So yeah, guys, I was in Barnes and Noble and I was showing you guys how many books this lady had in her basket. Like, I was over there looking at the other books that they had on sale and some of the other fiction books, and I saw her over there with the basket, and I was like, okay, let me just go, because she was like just constantly putting the books in the basket, and I was like, okay, let me just go get my book, because if I don't, she's gonna take them all. I'm currently sorting out all of my clothes. I have been over here for like a month. Hi guys, and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. Today I am, of course, driving into work. It's Monday. The week is already starting off kind of rocky. We'll just say rocky. I walked out the house and my garage has been broken. It's completely all my fault. I take sole responsibility for the reason why my garage is broken. As I was trying to manually pull up my garage, I left my purse, so no badge for work, so I gotta try to follow somebody else in. And I also left my coat again. My coat is in the coat closet by the front of the door. Most of the time I leave out of the garage door, so it's kind of like a walk around, and I just forget it because I don't think about it. Because I'm warm inside the house and then I'm inside the garage and I'm not thinking about wearing my coat. Now, if I had to walk out to my car, I would definitely have a coat on. But yeah, I keep forgetting it, and I'm just like, so yeah, I'm gonna be looking crazy today, but you know, it's fine. It's completely fine. Sorry for the horrible lighting, you guys. I'm at home. It's currently 6:57, and I just wanted to show you guys real quick the lighting that I did upstairs. I think I was telling you guys this in an earlier vlog about the lighting that I wanted to do on the banister. Sorry, I am out of breath. I just ran up and down the stairs to plug the lights in. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick what those look like. Oh yeah, this is just what it looks like. It looks a little better in person. I don't know, it just seems a little like dark on camera, but it looks a little better in person. So that is done, and the tree is finally done and put together. I did red, white, and silver, well, ivory bulbs here, and then I stuck these in just for some extra effects. I've never really played with those before, but I saw they were kind of trendy for this year, so I decided to try them out. So yeah, that's what the tree is looking like now. So right now I'm actually getting ready to go to Bed Bath & Beyond because we have our white elephant gift exchange on Friday at work, and so I have to get a gift for that. And originally I was just going to order something on Amazon, but I couldn't find anything that I wanted. So Bed Bath & Beyond has the As Seen on TV section, and I feel like those are kind of funny gifts, like the shake weight. It's really weird and crazy, but the shake weight is one of them, and then they have like the Snuggie is another. So there's like other things that they have at Bed Bath & Beyond. So, and I believe As Seen on TV has their own store like in the mall, which is really crazy. So that's where I'm headed right now, and then I think I'm gonna get some Smoothie King for dinner. I look a mess, and I need to move this tote to the garage. But I just got out of the shower, just washed my face. That's Kiba drinking his water. Getting ready to wrap my white elephant gift so it can go under the tree, because right now there's no gifts under the tree. So this will be the first one going under the tree. So this is the gift that I got. It's the sock slider. And I don't know if you guys have seen this commercial, but it's pretty much where It's like they show like older people or people with back problems and they cannot put their socks on. Like they can't bend over to put their socks on. I think they have like a pregnant woman on the back. So I thought it was hilarious. All right, guys, so the gift is wrapped and under the tree. I just tried to use a little bit of ribbon that I had from not using it on the tree. Again, here's another shot of the tree. Loving the way it sparkles. Loving it from head to toe. So yeah, that is the way the gift turned out. I had to step my game up because in the past couple of years, we've done this exchange. My gifts have been the crappiest wrapped gifts because I'm usually like all out of time. The ribbon is still very wrinkled right here and it's kind of bothering me, but it's not the end of the world. So yeah, guys, I think I'm just going to go ahead and end today's vlog here. So stay tuned for more vlogs and Vlogmas, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.